Come how to solve this nice exponential equation. Solution from here. Well, what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n, which is same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. That is, here this becomes 5 raised to power x over 5 square equals to 50 from here. Then here, this same thing as 5 raised to power x over 5 square, 5 times 5, that's 25. Equals to, you can write this as 50 over 1. Then here we cross multiply, as this we have 5 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 5 raised to power x, equals to 50 times 25 here. The next step, we take the log on both sides, as this here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 50 times 25. Then from here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. As this here, we have x log 5 equals to log 50 times 25. Then, here we divide both sides by log 5. As this, divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5. As this here, log 5 cancelled each other here. We have x equals to log 50 times 25 over log 5. That is here. This follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. Then here we have x equals to log 50 plus log 25 over log 5. Then here we separate this into two fractions, as we have x equals to log 50 over log 5 plus log 25 over log 5. That is, here we can write 25 as 5 times 5, which is 5 square. Then what we have becomes x equals to log 50 over log 5 plus log 5 square over log 5. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm, and 2 comes here. We have x equals to log 50 over log 5 plus 2 log 5 over log 5. As this here, log 5 cancel each other here. Then we have x equals to log 50 over log 5 plus 2. The next step here, also we can rewrite 50 as 25 times 2. And what we have becomes x equals to log 25 times 2 over log 5 plus 2. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 25 plus log 2 over log 5 plus 2. We separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 25 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5 plus 2. And also here, we can write 25 as 5 times 5, that's 5 squared. And we have x equals to log 5 squared over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5 plus 2. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm. That is, 2 comes here, and we have x equals to 2 log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5 plus 2. That is here log 5 cancel each other. We have 2 left. And this becomes x equals to 2 plus 2. That's 4 plus log 2 over log 5. Then also we apply change of base here. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. Then here we have x equals to 4 plus log 2 base 5. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 4 plus log 2 base 5. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 4 plus log 2 base 5 minus 2. Is it equals to 50 on this side? That is here. We have 4 minus 2, that's 2. This becomes 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5. This is equals to 50 on this side. This follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 5 square times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5. This is equals to 50 on this side. 5 square 5 times 5, that's 25. And times this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is here we have 2. This is equals to 50 on this side. And 25 times 2, that's 50, which is equals to 50 from here. That is left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude here that x equals to 4 plus log 2 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments. And also join our membership package for access to more videos and exclusive perks. See you next class then. Bye for now.